Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson with the Union University Library. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access the library's electronic resources from off-campus. Access to the library's electronic resources is available to students, faculty, and staff around the clock. If you are off campus, accessing those resources requires an additional step. When you click on the title of an ebook, database, or electronic journal from off campus, you will be prompted to log in order to access that resource. Using your login credentials is required to access resources off campus because the library's databases and electronic books are available only to current Union students, faculty, and staff. Simply type in your Union credentials, the same ones you use for your Union email, into the required boxes. This will take you to the ebook, database, or electronic journal you need, and your research can begin. If you have any access problems, contact one of the librarians for more help. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, if you need help finding or accessing library materials, contact a librarian. And make sure you subscribe to the library's YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials.